What's going on, everybody? My name is JT, and you're tuned in to The People's Trader, your source for no-nonsense crypto fundamental analysis and technical analysis. If that's the sort of thing that tickles your fancy, then why don't you hit the subscribe button? I do this every single day, except for the days that I don't. So, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum. We're going to be taking a look at Lend, Aave, and we're also going to be taking a peek at Apollo. So, Apollo is a request that I got inside of the comments section. If ever you have a project that you would like me to take a look at, leave the name of the project down below and I will gladly go ahead and take a look at that project. Not only does it provide information for you from the point of view of a trader, it provides me with YouTube content. So it's a win-win for everybody. So let's go ahead and dive right into the Ethereum chart. Ethereum USD. So switching over to the daily. So Ethereum, it's inside of this, it's retesting the top of its Wyckoff accumulation box. Get rid of that line. It's macro Wyckoff accumulation box. So this is pretty bullish. We're seeing some bearish signs. This pattern right here is very distribution-esque. And, if we just flip on the candles here, I'm just going to move this back up LPS. This is back up, last point of support. This whole area looks very distribution-like to me. So, we had this really big rally, and that resulted in quite a significant sign of weakness. The trading range inside of here is it looks like this. This is what we're looking at for a trading range. And you can see we got our up thrust and then we got a sign of weakness. We then came back inside of the range, fell out of it again. That is another sign of weakness. And now we're kind of, trapped under ice is what they call it. So you take the lows and we're kind of trapped under ice. So we fell through the ice and now we're trapped under it. That is a Wyckoff terminology. You're either crossing the creek when you're bullish or you have fallen through the ice when you're bearish. So overall, this is a distribution pattern to me. This could mean that we can make a move down to this lower end here, somewhere in this area, potentially down at about 285. If this area doesn't hold, I could see us coming right back down to 235, 240 area down in there. If that happens, I'm going to be buying because I am very bullish on Ethereum. I think that Ethereum is basically setting up the framework for the future of finance. Yeah, there's problems. There's scaling issues for sure, but there are literally thousands of developers working on solutions, whether they are coming from other projects like Polkadot or other projects like Chainlink. These developers are all working together for the same goal. We want financial instruments available to the masses. There's 8 billion people on this planet. 2 billion people have bank accounts, and I think 500 million people actually are involved in the world of finance. Don't quote me on that last statistic. I just pulled that out of my ass. But, there are many, many people that are not actively engaged in the world of finance. And it all starts with, these barriers. They don't even have a bank account. So cryptocurrency is going to provide a bank account, and DeFi is going to bridge the gap so that these people can participate. We can add the adoption of finance, and we're doing that through cryptocurrency such as Ethereum. We're doing that with Chainlink. We're doing that with Polkadot. We're doing that with Bitcoin and all of these other projects that are creating this framework to allow people to participate that were never able to participate in the past. So Ethereum, short term, looks bearish. I would love to see it come down because I will be buying. I am long on Ethereum. We're in an uptrend. Things are very shaky right now given the US election. Nobody really knows what to make of the global situation. Is there going to be a wave 2? There's a lot of uncertainty in the markets right now, and that's reflected in the price. There's a lot of uncertainty inside of the price. So that is kind of my take on Ethereum right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Lend. So Lend is another one that's been on my radar. I recently got a request to do an update video on Lend. Where is Lend? There we go, Lend BTC. So let's just clear all the drawings here. Oops, no, I didn't want to remove indicators. Give me my indicators back. There we go. Just the drawings. Okay, so let's zoom in here and see what's going on. So I can already see a little bit of a pattern developing here. So we can take a look at the volume. We got a nice volume spike here. This is our buyer's climax, just based on the volume and the fact that that's where the volume or the price action capped out. So I'm just going to go to the candle body closes, and I'm going to drag this trading range right across, go down to our automatic reaction. Let's call it the candle body close as well. So we're inside of this trading range. So we have effectively come up for our buyer's climax, down to our automatic reaction, secondary test, and we're now, that is phase A, and we've come down for our second test in phase B. We got a spring, and we have come back into the range, but we've fallen back out. So to continue the upward momentum of AVE, we need to get bought back up into this range. So we need to come in at around 5,000 Satoshis for us to really start looking bullish again. If we can get bought back up into that area, I'm going to be really bullish on Lend, and I may even look at entering a position on Lend. So that's what I am seeing on the Lend. So another coin request that I got was Apollo. I took a look, tried to find it on TradingView. It is not available on TradingView, so we're going to have to go and take a look inside of CoinGecko here. So another micro cap. Its total market cap is 12 million, very, very low. Its 24-hour trading volume is $446,000, extremely low. This is basically a completely illiquid coin. For you to get in and out of this coin would be very difficult. You're not going to be able to purchase it at the price advertised, and you're not going to be able to sell it at the price advertised. It's extremely illiquid. So furthermore, the price action is pretty much tapered right off. I'm not familiar with this coin, so let's go ahead and take a look at their website here. Let's just play this.
The rise of cryptocurrency has opened up a way for people to control their funds outside of the traditional banking system. Although there are a variety of currencies to choose from in the current market, users are left using one currency for one application and a different currency for another.
Okay, so I've heard enough. Basically, I already know where this coin is going. This has happened many, many times. The catch-all, solve-all problems coins. I just don't see it happening. Listen, Ethereum has problems, but the problems are being addressed. The scaling issues are being addressed. Polkadot is going to help facilitate some of the scaling issues. Cross-chain communication is going to be fixed with Link. What these coins are trying to do, what these platforms are trying to do, is they're trying to create an ecosystem that works together. And Apollo is making some pretty bold claims. They've been around since September 2018, and I've never heard of them. It's not to say that they can't potentially gain some popularity, because I do believe that they could. But this is, it's bad price action. It's very low volume. I'm not really liking what I'm seeing, both from a technical standpoint and from a fundamental standpoint. I'm sorry, that's probably not the answer you were looking for, but you asked for my opinion. This is my opinion, and it is only that. It is just my opinion. So take it with a grain of salt. I've been wrong before, and I'll be wrong again. And with that is all the time I have for today. If you enjoyed the content, please leave it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and share this content with anybody that you think would find value out of this content. If you are interested in learning the Wyckoff method, follow the links down below. I do have a free Discord group, but I also have a course that I am selling for $95. $95 will get you into the course. It will get you access into my private trading group. We have a community of traders inside of the group who who are all practicing the Wyckoff method. We are doing macro swing trades. We're doing, smaller time frame trades. So if you're looking to gain clarity in your investment and want to really get ready for this bull market, I highly suggest you take the crypto classes and get signed up in the group today. And with that, we will see you in the next video. Peace.